Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Shopify to your Facebook and Instagram. Now without further ado, let's get started. First is open up your browser and go to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com, and log into your account if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, just sign up right here. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now the first step you want to do is to search for the Facebook and Instagram application or sales channel right about here. So once you have done that, just go to apps right here and make sure to search for Meta. And before I forget, make sure that your Facebook is already open with your business or shop page right here, so that we won't have any problems integrating our Shopify and Facebook. So moving forward, once you search on Meta on the App Store, on the Shopify App Store, just click on Facebook and Instagram right here. So this should be the only one right here. So avoid any applications that says like here, like Facebook megapixels, multiple pixels. So don't mind any of that. Just make sure to click on Facebook and Instagram right about here. And once you have done that, just click on add application right here. And of course, make sure to authorize the sales channel right here. So basically, Facebook and Instagram right here is a sales channel. It is not an application. It is basically a sales channel. So just click on add sales channel right about here. And once you have done that, as you can see, Facebook and Instagram has now been integrated into my Shopify. So I'm just going to pin this on my navigation real quick. And right about here, all you have to do is to click on Start Setup. So once you start your setup, you must connect your Facebook account to Shopify. So just click on Connect Account right here. And there you have it. So it is important that you must open your Facebook page or your Facebook account so that so that Shopify won't ask for an email or a password. As you can see, it is basically hassle-free. Shopify didn't ask for my email and password. It automatically connects because I have already opened my Facebook account right about here. And now once you have done that, it will automatically go to business assets. So right about here, it says connect the business you'd like to sell from to your shop. So I'm just going to click on this business right here. This is my business on Meta Business account or on my Facebook. So I'm just gonna click on connect right there. And then right about here is about managing Facebook and Instagram data sharing preferences. So there are 3 right about here, and make sure to click this on right here to toggle this one rather. And you have 3 right here. So you must choose a preference. So this is conservative. So a conservative is to get some ad performance and customers targeting improvements, but prioritize sharing less information. So this setting uses Metapixel, which is a third-party cookie that collects and shares customers' browsing behavior on your store. Next is the enhanced. So use proven established methods for strong ad performance. So customer activity data is shared using the Metapixel Advanced Matching and Conversions API. So on the enhanced is customers can also disconnect this data from their Facebook account. Next is the maximum is basically to get the best results. This setting is continually updated with Facebook's latest advertising technology and shares the most data with Facebook. So for now, I'm just starting with my business. So I highly recommend, if you're still starting, just click on the enhance right here so that we won't have any problems with the maximum and with the conservative. So I'm just going to click on enhance and just going to click on save. And next is to connect a pixel to track customer behavior. Now a pixel is basically a little robot that tracks customer behavior. So this will be the one who will track customer behavior, whether your customers are invalidating some of your information, or some are not behaving properly well, so just like that. So for now, I'm just gonna connect right here because I already have made some pixels. So if you don't have a pixel created, just click on create new right here, just about that. So for now, I have connected to my pixel that I just created, and once you have done that, under terms and conditions, you just open this real quick and read this if you want. So this is the seller agreement that was updated last July 30, and the Facebook business tool terms. You can just click on that again, and you can just read on this real quick. Now once you have read on that real quick, just click on I agree to Facebook terms and services, and just click submit for review. So as you can see, Shopify is finalizing our channel setup, so this may take up to a minute. So you must remember not to refresh your page, because once you refresh your page, you will lose all the progress that you have just made. So as you can see, this is shop on Facebook, so customers can browse your products on Facebook right about there. So once I have done that, as you can see right here, it is still processing. It says you are ready to start selling on Facebook sales channel. So I'm just gonna click on done right here. And there you have it. So if you want to set up your Instagram right here, just also click on start setup. But in my case, I don't have an Instagram account for this business of mine, so it says that I can't set up. But if you want to set up, you can actually set up right there, or if it allows you to do it, once you set up your Facebook to Shopify, it will automatically set up your Instagram as well. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some comments, questions, and even some suggestions, make sure to comment it down below. So with that being said again, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!